Hi guys, today I'm doing a YouTube video on opening fidget spinners.
So the first one we're going to do is this. We all have different brands, by the way. I've got a pink one, and average is 3 to 5 minutes of a spin.
I don't know how long mine is, but this is the first one I have.
And Rebecca, our sister's already opened all of hers, so
this is
she
her first
has
one.
a pink one, the same as me. She had the very same as me, so it doesn't matter. So now we'll just get opening.
You filming it first?
We're making a video of them. Right, we're gonna open them now. Sorry, guys, we need to be quiet, we're trying to talk. Excuse me. Look, this is my one. These are loose. Now, spinning. Jesus, what was that?
Move over a bit.
No. So now, will we go on to the next one? Oh yeah, and it comes into this little plastic yoke as well.
That's a little box.
And next one. Pause it. You have to pause it and then.
Okay, here's my next one.
My next one is this white spinner. It's a white one, as you can see, and it's the same brand as the last one.
And Rebecca has the yellow one, and she only got 2. So
The last one's a very good surprise. We only have 3, by the way. So let's open
me and
this.
Rachel have 3, and Rebecca has 2.
So let's open this. Okay, there we go. This is the white one. It has these caps are loose to spin.
This makes a load of noise. Listen.
This one's good. I like this one.
Hey.
That was really good.
Do you hear that?
Mine's good. I like this. You probably can't see it because it's so like white and the background white. So.
This is the red one.
You can't see. But I can move over from that. This is my video. I'm trying to show.
Now we're going on.
Listen, we're doing a video.
But anyway, yeah, this is the first one. It's my red one. Well, that's the second one. This is my first one.
And the next one is, this is my one, a white one. The next one is a very good surprise.
Okay, so the next one.
I got purple metallic.
Rebecca didn't get one.
She didn't get one of these. These were $5.99. No, they're $4.99. So let's open these ones. I don't know what these are like.
Ooh. Whoa.
Nice. Take the packet off. So this is what the metallic one looks like. These are loose as well. Now let's give them a spin. Oh, I like this.
Rebecca, you can spin your other ones.
This is good.
Yeah.
It spins very fast. We'll do a test as well. Which metallic one is the fastest in a minute?
I don't even have a metallic one.
Well, yeah, you don't have to be in it then.
Okay, well, I need to check some. How long is this video? Sorry. 3 minutes. 18
Now, come on, let's do a test.
Have you got a phone?
No. You don't need to. It's just like you spin it and see which one stops first.
Oh, right.
So, just get the... Okay, you can't see it. Okay, this is right. Move that over. Right. 1. Wait, no. Let me get. Move over your arm. 1, 2, 3. I did a really bad spin there. I need to spin mine again. Just stop it for a minute. That was a really bad spin. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. That was good. They were both really good spins. So let's have a look.
Your one's a bit better than mine.
Not really. They look the same. We'll see which one wins.
It looks like this
My
has
one,
a little black and orange.
my one or Connor's one. I hope this one wins.
I hope Connor's
Oh yeah,
one
the
wins.
packaging was like this brown stuff and had like a little...
That's mine.
Oh, look. They're not slowing down yet. Might as well start tidying up my other ones, I suppose. Might as well. While we're waiting to see. So, no, I didn't talk if I want. No. Oh, mine's stopping. Woo! Connor's is stopping.
Yeah.
Oh no.
See how long mine goes for.
Not that long more, I'd say. And I'd say they're both around the same. It's just I had a really bad spin. Guys, stop fighting. It's so hard to get the packet in. Here we go. One spinner ready.
Oh, mine's
Now this
still
next
going.
one is probably one of the strongest. I don't know if you saw that. It really makes noise. You can only hear it on camera. I like this one. I'm going to play with my metallic one for a while. Me and Connor are probably just going to have a few races and stuff. So, the pink one came in a really good package. It actually did. So they were the metallic ones. They were very good. Talk in your video. You're not talking. Talk.
And I dropped it. This is how many is draw together?
3. These are my 2,
8.
and then I've got my metallic one here.
This is Rebecca's yellow one.
Oh yeah, and this is Connor's red one. I have to fact this. I like that.
That's Rebecca's
Oh my
pink
god,
one.
I actually really like that. Oh my god, that feels so nice. How do you not like
Can I
that?
feel your purple one?
No. I'm not touching my metallic one. 1 second. Listen to the noise.
I showed them already.
Whoa. This one has silver bearings in it, and then a little middle.
This one is black.
This has black as well.
My blue
So
one
now
is
we're just
blue.
gonna do some hand tricks for you. I'm really good at these tricks. Like one is just balancing on your tongue and blah blah. And you can move it and twist your arm. Whoa. Whee. I really like the purple one.
How do you find it on your nose?
Oh, you can do that. I'm gonna do it with my purple one. This is heavy, so it might take a minute.
What the hell is this?
What is it?
Oh! Can the camera see me, Connor?
Yeah.
Look at this, guys.
Can you see me? Tell me if the camera can see me.
Oh, this is going fast. Daddy, look. That was good.
Now see if you can see me.
I love these.
What?
These ones don't make a noise. They're just perfect. I'm not going to play with the purple one too much because I don't want it to get all sticky. What the hell was that?
It dropped.
Like, this really makes a noise. This is good.
Ow. My eye.
Oh, mine's starting to make a noise. It's grand though. I like it. Oh, this is really cool.
I'm doing it. Damn it. It's on camera.
I'm going to play with my white one for a while. See the package. Look. Wait, I need to show it on the top. So you can't really
That's
see
your
it.
purple one.
I know.
Oh, right. I'll tell you.
Now I'm going to play with the white one. These are all my fidgeties together. Fidgeties are the same thing. So now I'm just going to get the white one open again because why not? I like the white one. It feels good in the hand. Comment what ones you have.
If you have them. They're all mine.
Did you see your picture? You showed that in your
This one's my
I
favourite.
like this one. I like all mine. I don't really have a favourite to be honest.
I love them wiggling them like this.
Oh yeah, it feels really good. If you have a fidget spinner, just like wiggle. Wait, I'm going to try it with my chin. Can you see me?
Yeah. Whoa.
I was doing that.
Connor, you're doing it.
That's on his chin, that's easy. I was doing that. I taught him how to do that.
Don't do a dance while you're bouncing on the chin.
Also another one is throwing it to hand to hand, but I'm not good at that.
I can kind of do it like this, but
I have to say the white one's one of my favourites.
You didn't see that yet. It's a lot late.
See what?
See the minute.
Skin.
So your Connor scored 2 goals.
This is good. Connor, you move over a bit. Connor, Rebecca's out of it now, so we can.
yeah, I know.
No, that's good. Hey, you moved away from me.
Yeah, exactly, because I'm the best.
That's better.
You leave me.
I am the.
I like these.
Yes, I lift down.
I'm a YouTuber.
How the fuck did you do that?
Show me.
Use a finger one of these things.
Daddy, show me.
See the skin?
Yeah.
Daddy, show me.
She'll never be a nurse anyway.
Oh, jeez. How'd you manage that? It's filthy.
See it?
Oh,
What did you do this time?
Don't show that. 10 minutes long. I can have the video format. I mean,
I
14
don't think I
minutes
cooked
long.
off yet.
Okay. Well, we'll just do a bit of playing and messing right now until like it hits like 13 or 12 or something.
14.
Yeah, you want a bit before it's 14 I'll probably go.
No, I'm able to go. It's when it's 15. I'm not able to go.
Jesus, stop! You're after hitting my finger. Whoa! Shit! Look at that! Look at that!
Will you drop me in the next
No.
round to club at 7:30?
I don't like cursing in my videos.
I didn't curse.
Well, that's still.
Shit, it's not a person.
Stop saying it.
I really like this one. This one's a good. I love the white one.
Seriously not. No way.
I don't really like. Well, I do like the pink one. That was €2.99, €3. My nana got it for me, and I bought the other two. I bought the purple one myself, and my mother bought me the yellow one or the white one.
I'm sorry for the talking in the background. It's my mother and father talking.
Why are you putting your head so close? You can't see me. I'm gorgeous.
I'm the best. I'm the YouTuber. Like, stop pushing me.
I'm not. I'm trying to get in.
Yeah,
Shut up, Connor. This is a video.
I know it's a video.
This is a good one. Your camera's crap.
You really got it in the council. Green one.
I like this.
I don't know what I'm closing.
Now let's stop the video. Bye. Subscribe, like.
When it's 14 minutes.
I might get my battery out. Connor, will you stop? Connor's blue one's actually terrible. Look, it's gonna stop straight away. It just stopped. Crap. Wait, this one against
This
this
is Rebecca's
one.
pink
Look,
one.
Connor, I'm doing the metallic one against the pink one. Let's see which one's gonna win. Like between these two, we want to see which is the best.
What's your favorite one of them?
Let's see which one is the best.
What color? Where's the metallic? Oh, right there.
Oh god, I think the metallic ones are the best. Who?
They're back in a second.
You talking about?
Hello. We're back again.
No, he's back again.
Well, they're here.
Oh my god.
I always do it.
No, you don't. You only got them today. How can you always do it?
I do it with Rebecca's one. Before I got these ones,
Oh yeah, that's always.
I did it with this one and Rebecca's.
Alright, I'm gonna pick a random one because I really want to play with one. I don't know.
1 minute left.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch, take, ride, no, I'll just say that and go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Proper one.
I know the feeling of mine. Of my metallic one. Metallic.
Okay, we're just getting metallic.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my metallic. Becca.
Oh, Daddy!
Becca, be quiet.
Don't make me get sick.
Shush.
That's, oh my
Guys.
I feel sorry for my daddy. I'm so sorry for my daddy.
Oh, I know what he's doing. He was thinking.
Doesn't matter. Try giving them first.
It still looks disgusting.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a race between all three of mine. I know well the metallic is gonna win.
Mine, you know. I like playing mine.
No, I'm doing a race between my ones. But then Rachel. Now quickly, I did the metallic one first. See which wins. Blue one stopped, so that's out.
Oh, I want to come. I put a hoodie and a trousers over me.
No, I want you to go in on your own. I'm not going in because I'm like this.
What you do is you ring it in.
I don't need company for a drive. I want someone to go in for me. That's all I want.
I'm not.
I'm not actually.
I'm not.
I don't know what. Where is it?
They're not getting it. They had McDonald's.
Okay, then
Oh,
I'm
red
not
one
bothered.
stopped.
I actually
Metallic
couldn't
wins.
go.
I'm not going in by myself.
Yeah.
Bye.
Becca, here's your ball.
Bye, Becca.